Oh!
Yeah, he's gonna get it.
Oh! Oh!
Yeah.
That was sick.
Good fish, man. I'm gonna get his mate. Oh, yeah. Do you see him just hit the wrong thing?
Yeah. Oh, yep.
Got him. Yep. Nope. Here comes another one. Little one's gonna pinch it. We like that.
Oh, yes. Fuck, he's playing up.
We did like that a lot, eh?
Yeah. Whoa!
Oh, he's in.
Fuck, that was cool. Another nice fish.
Yeah.
Oh, he's giving me some curry.
I know where the fuck did we end up with the pliers? Or have we done too far?
No, I'm sure I gave him back to you.
Nah, they're probably in the bag.
Wait, look at this sooty sitting down here with him.
Yeah, that's that cheeky little fucker who's biting out. Nice one.
Yeah.
He'd be pushing 40.
Yeah.
Oh, 37, 38.
Yeah. High 30s anyway.
They're strong fish, eh?
Oh, it's crazy.
I don't know why people don't like chasing.
It's so fun.
I had a mate giving me shit one day at work, one of the glaziers.
Yeah.
He's like, oh, why are you chasing those useless black fucking sooty?
Really?
And I'm like, dude, it's not just about the fish. Like, you should see the places you fucking
Yeah.
Like, it's not all about just ripping lips.
Yeah, ripping lips and Villaineskis, eh?
Yeah, that's just what they know.
Fuck yeah. Oh my god.
48.
You're kidding.
On the film.
No way.
It is massive.
Holy fuck. That is a horse.
Yeah, let him get a bit of energy out. That,
Oh, there's another one in there.
Is there?
Yeah.
He's not bad, man.
Yeah. He's solid. Oh, fuck, he's gonna bury me. Oh no.
Fucking hell, he's actually...
Oh. He's a good fish. 47.
Yeah. PB.
Fuck yeah. Man, that is a nice fish.
Yeah, swimming now.
Isn't he fired up? That was sick.
Fuck yeah, man.
Oh, yep. Yeah. Oh, he's not a bad one either. Oh, there's a huge one with him. Holy fuck. He's massive, dude. Oh, I'm just going to keep him there. He is huge.
No.
Oh man, he was like 40, eh?
I can see him down there, man. Ooh, nice colours on him.
Yeah. Yeah, good stuff. It's fucking purple, eh?
Big take.
Yeah, that was real wicked.
On film again.
Yeah. Fuck, they're a cool fish.
Fuck, why aren't those bigger ones getting to it first?
Oh,
Usually
man.
they're pecking order, eh?
That bigger one was massive. Oh fuck, did I leave those pliers back there? Do you reckon you can help me get this hook out?
Yeah. Let me grab it.
That treble so good.
Bit awkward. Oh. Hang on. Grab that. Yeah, you're never going to snap that one.
Nah.
You got him?
Yep.
That was mad.
Oh. Big tarpon. Oh, so many sooties. Oh, big sooty. Oh man.
Why did I just cast?
Oh, no, it's all good.
I didn't think about that before I did it. That's a good footy, bro.
Yeah, dude. There were so many fish in there. Oh, what is that?
Oh no, tarpon.
Tarpon. Oh yes.
Oh, he's a good fish.